guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shreya Chakraborty. So today I am going to show you all the most requested tutorial. Whenever I do nude makeup or neutral makeup and go out and put a story on Instagram, you all just ask me to please share a tutorial of this look and all. So I thought let's do it today because this look is really a effortless look, because there's no need to like contouring or color correcting, all that. So without wasting any time, let's straight move into the video. Before applying foundation, I will use this Glow Iridescent Brightening Essence. It's from my Glam. I have been using this since so long and I'm so in love with this particular product. It gives a natural dewy glow on my face and it hydrates my skin so well. Today I will use two foundations. One is from LA Girl and another one is from K Beauty. The K Beauty one is a little bit darker than my undertone and the LA Girl is a little bit lighter than my undertone. So that's why I will mix to this. Here I am using NYX Professional Makeup HD Concealer. It's in the shade CW03. Now I am using Nykaa Compact. To define my eyebrows, I am using Blue Heaven Eyebrow Definer. For bronzer and blusher, I will use Morphe palette. It's their 8R That's Rich. It's a face palette. It has all the shades of bronzer, blusher. I am really excited to try this palette. I recently purchased it, and also I will come up with a makeup haul. All products will be international makeup products, so stay tuned. Now I will apply bronzer, and for bronzer I have taken the shade Celeb. Let's see how much pigmented it is. It's very much pigmented. For blusher I have taken the shade Vivacious from these Morphe palette. All the shades from this palette is so much pigmented. Today I will not use any eyeshadow, any color eyeshadow, because it's a nude makeup tutorial. I will use the bronzer as my eyeshadow. The one shade I have already used. For mascara, I am using Too Faced Damn Girl Mascara. As you all know, I always use setting spray before highlighter. For this, I am using M.A.C Micro Finish setting spray. The reason I have taken this highlighter, this MAC highlighter, because it gives a natural dewy finish glow, and I have taken a fluffy brush and I will apply it on the top of my face. Just look at this dewy glow. For lipstick, I will mix up two lipstick. One is from Faces Canada. It's in the shade Pretty Sophia 08, and another one is Maybelline. It's from Maybelline and it's in the shade Birthday Suit On. I will mix these two lipsticks just to get a neutral nude shade. So this is the final look. Okay, so this is the final result. I just loved how this makeup turned out. It's so much effortless. It's so much this makeup is so much effortless. This makeup is so much timeless, and if you want to wear it the entire day, just like the college party, the office party, even on a date, just like you are not covering too much, you are not pretending to be someone else, with your own skin but better, with your own lip color but better. So I am a big fan of this look, and if you guys try this look, then please don't forget to tag me. And I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Then please do like this video, share this video with your friends and relatives, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, because I frequently post videos. You all will get notifications. So stay safe. Bye bye. See you in my next video.